planetary hardware. Right now, humanity is living in a primitive state of technical development. According to the Kardashev scale, which measures a civilization's advancement based on its energy consumption, we are currently a Type 0. We crawl on the crust of our planet, burning dead plants and fossil fuels, completely at the mercy of earthquakes, tsunamis, and shifting climates. We do not run the world. We are simply passengers on a chaotic rock, but we are rapidly approaching a critical system patch. To transition into a Type 1 civilization, a planetary civilization, humanity must learn to capture, store, and utilize 100% of the energy available on Earth. This means tapping directly into the planet's core mechanics. Imagine a world where the entire globe is wired into a single intelligent grid. Fusion reactors capturing the raw power of the sun. Massive orbital rings harvesting solar wind. Deep geothermal nodes drawing energy straight from the planet's magma layers. In this futuristic era, Earth is no longer just a chaotic ecosystem. It becomes a fully optimized piece of planetary hardware, and every ocean current, wind pattern, and tectonic shift is monitored by a global infrastructure, controlling the matrix. But a Type 1 civilization is not just about raw power, it is about total software synchronization. When a species controls all planetary energy, they gain the ability to reprogram reality at a geographic scale. Weather is no longer a random event, it is managed by atmospheric software. If a drought threatens a continent, global satellites adjust atmospheric pressure and trigger precise rainfall. Volcanoes and tectonic plates are stabilized by pressure release systems plugged into the mantle, making earthquakes obsolete. To an outside observer, this looks like magic, but to a software engineer, it is simply the ultimate deployment of a planetary operating system. The internet, quantum computing, and artificial intelligence are the early background codes of this transition. We are building the neural network that will eventually connect every machine, every sensor, and every climate control grid into a singular collective mind. We are moving away from being isolated users of Earth's resources and becoming the programmers of its very environment. But this system upgrade comes with a terrifying risk: the great filter of code. But shifting our operating system from Type 0 to Type 1 is the most dangerous phase a civilization can ever encounter. In theoretical physics, this transition point is often called the Great Filter. Think of it like compiling a massive, unverified piece of code for the very first time. If there is a single fatal bug in the system, the entire infrastructure crashes permanently. As we connect our planetary energy grids, our weather systems, and our nuclear hardware into a singular, interconnected artificial intelligence network, we create a system with zero margin for error. A synchronized global network means that a localized glitch is no longer isolated. It can instantly trigger a total planetary reboot. Every advanced species in the cosmos must pass through this digital bottleneck. The empty silence we observe when we look at distant stars might not be because intelligent life is rare, but because most civilizations write a fatal error into their global code before they can successfully stabilize their planetary hardware. The cosmic sandbox. If humanity successfully patches its software and survives the transition, the rewards are infinite. By mastering Earth, we cease to be victims of nature. We become an undeletable script in the cosmic directory. A Type 1 civilization is a species that has finally mastered its sandbox. And once the planetary hardware is secured, the operating system inevitably looks outward, toward the stars. Type 1 is just the boot sequence. Beyond it lies Type 2, harnessing the full power of our Sun through a Dyson sphere, and Type 3, programming entire galaxies. We are the generation writing the foundation lines of this code. The choices we make today, the technologies we build, and the networks we synchronize are the building blocks of an immortal digital lineage. We are upgrading from chaotic biological observers into the systematic architects of space-time. The planetary installation is complete. Now, the universal program begins. Stay curious. Stay AU Minds.